Hello, my name is Bishir Hassan, and I am a graduate computer engineer student. Today, I will show you the graduation project, which is a patient monitor IoT based. In this project, we used both the software and hardware. So, in the hardware, we used the ESP32 microcontroller to transfer the data through the Wi-Fi into the database inside the Firebase real-time database. And we used Max 30102 to measure the heart rate and the oxygen in the blood. And also we used AD8232 to measure the ECG. So once the data are measured through these sensors, they will be transferred into the ESP32 microcontroller and then through the Wi-Fi to the Firebase real-time database. And then inside the Flutter app that I did, the data will be fetched from the database and then will be displayed in an ECG chart to look how the patient vital signals look. And this project helped doctors to monitor their patients remotely without keeping the patient in the hospital. So some patient they don't have the ability to pay money to stay in the hospital. So this gives them a better solution, so they can maybe pay less or without need to pay anything to the hospital. And due to the COVID-19, it was difficult to put many people in the hospital. Now I will show you how the app looks in iPhone. So we used Flutter since Flutter is a cross-platform software development kit, so we can use it to program mobile application in both Android and iOS. And here is a view of the app inside the iOS phone. Here I used Splash native screen. So here is the first screen, which is the login screen, and here you can click to forget your password and reset your password. And here in the sign up button you can click, and so in this page, which is the sign up page, you can enter your picture here and enter another details and click sign up. After you click sign up, your data will be transferred into the database and you can sign in to the app. So once you click sign up, you can click into the button of the sign in, and it will return you back into the login screen. So here you can enter your email, and then click login. For the authentication, I used Firebase authentication. And here's the home screen page, which is contain the picture of the user and his name, and the name and the picture are directly transferred from the database. And here is the patients, and also I used medical API to display the data or the medical news from the medical API. So once the data are fetched from the API, they will be displayed here. For example, I will click on this news. Here is the picture of the medical news and the title and some small description and the link into the news. Also, I created here a menu burger, so you can go back into the home screen or sign out from the app. Once you clicked on this arrow, it will route you into the page which is contain the details of the patient. Here is the ECG and the SpO2 and the heart rate. Here is an old measure which was not correct. I will show you the correct one in real using or in real time. Now I will show you a real example of my graduation project. So once I will connect the ECG, then the data will be displayed on the phone. So the data in the phone and inside the Arduino compiler, they are looking the same. So here in the phone how it looks, and here how it looks in the compiler. Both of them looks the same, which means that everything is working correctly. And also you can rotate your phone and zoom in and zoom out in your ECG chart to look on the small details. And also here is another video when I was measuring the SpO2 and the heart rate. So at the beginning it will give a wrong numbers, and then once it collect a huge number of reading, it will give like a correct reading.